Hello everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. Today I would like to talk to you about the portable SSD T5 by Samsung. This is the newest solid state drive that Samsung has released, and it's very popular on the internet, so I got curious and decided to get one for me. So before we talk about it, we're going to unbox it and see what's inside. So let's unbox this and see what comes with the external drive. So as we open, here it is, very tiny, very nice. It comes on this plastic case, very simple arrangement. So here we are. This is the storage and it's extremely small, T5 500 gigabytes. Then we also have this little book, but this booklet is basically what comes inside. So this is not really an instruction manual, but it's just the what comes in the box and in several different languages. So this is not really going to help much. And in the box we have two cables. We have one USB to USB-C, which means that you will connect the USB-C to the external drive, and this one to your MacBook Pro if you have the older model like me. Or you can use this one, which is USB-C to USB-C, which means that you can connect one to the drive and one to the MacBook Pro, or you can also use it to connect to your smartphone if your smartphone uses the USB-C. So this is basically what comes in the box. As you guys can see, this thing is extremely small. Look at that. And compared to my iPhone 7 Plus, here's my iPhone and here is the drive. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it couldn't be smaller. And also this thing is extremely fast, and this is one of the reasons I decided to buy this. My MacBook Pro has only 256 gigabytes of internal storage, and obviously with all the programs that I have installed in it, so I have only about 120 gigabytes left for me to work with my videos. This is basically what I've been using so far, but after watching a lot of videos on YouTube about people using this for editing their videos, I decided that maybe that was my best solution instead of upgrading my MacBook Pro, which would be much more expensive, just to upgrade the memory by getting this external SSD to work on my videos. So let's connect it to my MacBook Pro and see how it works. As you can see here, the storage on my MacBook, at the moment I have only 120 gigabytes available for me, which is not that much, but I still can work with that. But if I can do it faster, why not, right? As you can see here, the Samsung T5 is already connected, so let's see how much storage does it have. There you go, it has 500 gigabytes. At the moment I have 592 gigabytes free storage for me to use. That is really a lot compared to what I had on my MacBook Pro. So now let's open the Final Cut Pro and see the T5 working as my external drive. As you can see, once I open my Final Cut Pro, I see immediately my MacBook Pro local library, which is the one that I've always been using so far. But now with the T5, I have the extra storage to work with. So let's open the T5. As you can see, open library. There it is, a T5 external. Et voila! So now I have two libraries to work from, the T5 external, which gives me a lot of new storage, and my local library in MacBook Pro, which I hope I won't be using so often from now on. For the 500 gigabytes, I paid around 170 euros, which is quite reasonable for the amount of storage. This is basically double the storage that I have on my MacBook. So I really hope that from now on, my workflow will be a little bit faster. So guys, this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the notification bell, otherwise you won't be notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye!